Imagine if you walked into a swarm of angry bees and just shrugged off their stings. That's exactly what this bird does. It's called the honey buzzard, and instead of avoiding bees, it loves destroying their nests. But here's the crazy part. Its feathers act like armor, making stings almost useless. And get this, it's not even after honey. Nope. What it really wants is the bee larvae hidden inside the hive. So while bees think they're defending their honey, this bird is one step ahead. So, if bees' greatest defense doesn't work, could something even bigger be taking advantage of them too?